this one lives up to the hype, Byron, we're in for an amazing match here tonight.
There's no reason to think this one won't live up to the hype, Michael. We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE.
And their partner from Germany, weighing in at 221 pounds, the Pig, Carl.
Guys, this one promises to be absolutely amazing.
But as they say, promises are made to be broken, Michael. Though in this case, I think we're safe.
Combined weight of 454 pounds, the Raw Tag Team Champions, Rob Van Dam and Raiden, the Anarchist.
And guys, despite the title not being on the line, this is still very much a big match.
Of course it is, Cole. This is an opportunity for the champ to prove exactly how dominant he is. And trust me, he doesn't take these opportunities lightly.
Welcome to Balor Club.
The WWE Cruiserweight Champion, Finn Balor!
The future is bright for the Irishman, Finn Balor.
This man is an enigma with a profound skill set that we have never witnessed before. Former NXT champion, the first ever Universal champion, Finn Balor, ladies and gentlemen, it's for real. A truly global superstar, a phenomenon amongst the WWE Universe. Finn Balor posted on social media earlier today.
Chad Gable, big opportunity here tonight.
And their partner from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 202 pounds, Chad Gable.
Minnesota native is scratched and clawed for everything he's earned in his life. Represented the United States in the Olympics, former tag team champion on multiple occasions. Chad Gable is ready to do big things on the big stage.
You know, even though the title is not on the line, this is still an important match for the champ. He can't afford to show any weakness here.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Oh, continuing to punish them. Scoop slam. And look at, oh, what incredible power. Wow, what a vertical suplex. Oh, nasty impact. Bad spot for him to be in here, guys.
He's got to do something to get back in this thing.
Oh, look at the scoop slam.
Nailed it.
He's not looking like himself here. He may have to start reevaluating his game plan. Leg sweep.
Nicely done.
Big move coming. Wait for it. This might be it. Oh, my. Is he done? He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. He misses the dive.
And unfortunately for him, there was no water in the pool.
Scoop slam. Ooh, what impact. He's going for it all. Now the old vicious head crank.
Look at the torque.
Oh, that'll mess up the neck. He paid for that one.
Oh, man, big time.
Uh-oh.
Oh, nasty impact.
Devastating elbow.
He's not looking good here. Guys, this is where we find out what he's made of.
But he can still turn the tide here. As the old saying goes, it ain't over till it's over.
Here we go. Setting him up for the... Boom! What a stomp!
Good grief.
He's looking at it.
I don't think he's got it completely locked in.
Oh, and he slips out.
Wow, looked to me like he had it locked in pretty good. I guess not.
Oh, ouch. Oh, my goodness, crushing it.
What a scary drop.
Oh, what a slam, that hurt. I don't think there's any coming back from this type of assault. He's absolutely running on fumes right now. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, what a brain buster.
Oh, nasty. Harsh impact. What a boot.
Oh, man, that hurt the back. Spine rattling. Oof.
The end may be near. He's definitely starting to lose it here.
Nicely done as he gets out of the submission.
Color me surprised, Michael. I did not see that one coming.
Jumping, leaping attack. Face first. Gosh. Boom, what impact. goodness, this hurts. Oh!
Not where he wants to be right now. Hey, he got himself into this mess.
Well, he's got to get himself out of it now.
Mat slam with some attitude. What a stomp. Good grief. Got face first. Gosh. You gotta believe this one's over. Oh, bulldog.
One-handed.
Inverted power slam.
Wow.
Running hip attack. What impact.
Ooh. What a stomp. Good grief.
Beautiful technique. Lariat. Oh, hanging on for dear life.
Oh, alley-oop powerbomb.
That might be it.
Sit-up jawbreaker.
You can pick up your teeth in the third row.
Oh, continuing to punish them. Oh, face first. Gosh.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
On easy.
Nailed it.
Inverted suplex.
Oh, he turns it around. What a strike.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Cross the shoulders, up and unceremoniously deposited down.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys. The elbow.
Here he goes. Is he done? Whoa, he works his way out.
A bit of a Houdini job right there.
He might have it. This might be it.
Oh my. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Yes!
Unreal performance.
These superstars put on quite a show. Here's another look.
These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well. I know the match was solidly entertaining, but I really hope these guys would take it to the next level. Regardless, nobody's asking for their money back.
The Psycho, Big Evil, Marcus, the Masked Man, and the Pig, Carl, the Natural Disaster.
Well, that one was over before it even started. Wow, when you pick